Here's how to take the derivative of logarithm functions. The derivative of the natural logarithm ln of x is simply 1 over x. How nice is that? The derivative of ln x is 1 over x. More generally, take any b greater than 0 which isn't 1. If you want the derivative of log base b of x, it's still 1 over x. You just have to divide by that natural log of b term. This is really just the change of base formula in action, since log base b of x is the same thing as natural log x over natural log b, and we can just use that previous formula. The 1 over natural log b is just a constant, so it comes out. It's always good to keep in mind we still have to use the product, quotient, and chain rule with all log derivatives. So if you ever run into natural log of u and you want to take the derivative, well, the derivative is still 1 over u, but you need to multiply by the derivative of that inside function by the chain rule. So in the numerator, we usually just put u prime. It's a good thing to remember the derivative of ln of u is u prime over u.